Hi, my name is Alex Moon and I'm currently in 11th grade.
Today, I'll show you guys how to make a checkerboard pattern on the Rubik's Cube. What you will need today is a solved Rubik's Cube, as you can see here. The first step is you want to move the left side up twice, like this, and the right side. 1, 2. Now you want to move the top side horizontally, like this. 1, 2, twice, and the bottom side. 1, 2. Now pay attention here because it might get lost here. Turn your Rubik's Cube by one face, like so. Now you want to move the left side up twice and the right side up twice. There, you have a checkerboard pattern on your Rubik's Cube, and you can now show all your friends. Sick, right? You want to go back to solve Rubik's Cube? Here, I'll show you. So, you want to move the left side up by twice and the right side. You want to move the top to the right twice and the bottom. Now, you have to turn your face and go left up, right up. Now you know how to change the patterns of your Rubik's Cube. Make sure to keep reading and learning. Thank you for watching.